Good morning, Dianna. I just want to do a video about your quiz and show you what you can do a little differently with it. You don't really have to do it again. I just want to point out your mistakes and some of the things that you did. So for the first two here, when you add these two together, you can't add the exponents. So, for example, see how you got this negative x cubed? What you have to do is you have to see that this is a 4 and this is a 3, and you can't really combine them. So I kind of laid it out there in the first problem, but you're not supposed to add those exponents. So, okay, so you take these two, and these two are like each other. Well, before I do that, though, see that negative sign? It has to be distributed. I think you did that correctly, but I just want to make sure. So you rewrite it, you get negative 10x4 minus 7x3 plus 5. And then now we can combine, you see, we can combine this and this. Okay, and then we can combine this with nothing, all right, because there's no other x. And then we'll combine the negative 4 and the negative 5 because those are like each other. And then we'll combine this with nothing also. All right, so then the final answer would be like negative 18x to the 4th. Okay, and then we're going to put that 7x cubed because we want those exponents to be going downward. And then the 9x is next. And then the negative 9 is next. And we can't add these together because they have different exponents. There's no exponent on this one. Okay, so this is the correct answer for that one. I think you may have added the exponents or something. Okay, so just that there. And then these are all good except for you forgot that little 3 there. Okay, so those are fine. And these here, so when you multiply this, you distribute, okay? And when you multiply exponents, you add exponents. So the first term you get for this one here is going to be negative 15x to the 5th. All right, and then minus 33x to the 3rd plus 6x squared. Now that's the correct answer for that one. And then see down here, I think you added the exponent. So you got like 16x to the 4th because you did this and this, but you can't add those exponents in algebra. We got to keep that, be aware of that, okay? So, all right. Well, the next problem here is it's not bad. I think you distributed this correctly. So you did this, and you got that from that, and then you did this here, and you got that, and then this you ended up with negative 8x cubed, which is correct, and then this though should be negative 20x squared here. Okay, so this should be negative 20x squared. Now, again, you added those exponents when you shouldn't have. So you want to make sure to then now, that's a good step, but now you want to put the things together that you can. And the only thing that you can put together here is the negative 6 and the positive 6 and negative 20. So that's negative 18, negative 14 x squared. And then you got to put that, negative 8x cubed should go out in front there. And then the last term is going to be that negative 18x. Okay, so you want to keep those separated because you can't add the exponents. Okay, now down here you factored out the GCF, so you're good there. And then you factored out the GCF, good, so you're good there. All right, just find the GCF, so you're good on those. Nice job. And then these, it looks like you're good to go. You factored that out, and factored that out. Nice job. And then 10 is done well as well. Well, wait a second here. You have this B right here should not be written because you divided it out there, okay? So, but other than that, you're looking pretty good there. Now here you get 12x, negative 3, minus 18x. Good. I like the way you did that, so you're good to go there. And 12, I'm not sure what happened there, but you've got to do 5w minus 4 times 5w minus 4. So you got to look into that. Okay, so you can distribute like you did before. I like the way you add the substituted 5w times 5w. I like the way you lined them up. And then you're going to do 5w times negative 4, and then 5w times negative 4 again. And then your last term is going to be negative 4 times negative 4. So here you end up with 25w squared. Bam. This is negative 20w. This is negative 20w. And this is positive 16. So this is negative 40w. So then your final answer would be 25w squared minus 40w. I don't know what happened there, but let's see. Anyway, I hope you're still getting this, but I think my face went away. And then plus 16 is the last term you get there. So you're close. I don't know what happened. You had a w squared. I don't know, whatever. So you're good here. Nice job. And here you get, okay. So you have all these terms here. You have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the only ones that you can combine are these two. Okay. And you can combine, it looks like these two here. Whoops, let me do this in the highlighter here. I'll erase this. So this is really good. You did good. You can combine this one and this one. And you can combine this one and this one. But these two are separate. So this one is separate from this one. Okay, so those are different. All right, so you can't add those exponents like you did. That's all. So then rewriting it as a final answer would be like 6x to the third plus 10x plus, what is that? 14, negative 14x squared. And then minus the 52x, okay? And then the minus 43. So that's your final answer there. So you did good. And I hope you watch this and check it out. I'm going to give you full credit for your quiz when you watch it, okay?